Mommy.
It's an elephant.
It's elephant.
His name is Elmer.
Elmer.
Elmer?
What's that? What's that?
Elmer.
What's that?
What's that?
What's that? Heart.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Heart.
Heart. What's that?
Heart. Let me see the color pink. Where's pink?
It's pink.
Where's pink?
Here.
That's good. Where's purple?
It's purple. Here.
That's right. Where's red?
It's red. Here.
That's right. What about yellow?
Yellow. Here.
Yellow?
Yellow.
That's right. What about green?
Yes. Here.
Where's green? Good job. What about blue?
Here.
No, that's yellow. Where's blue?
It's blue.
Blue, right here. Where's black? Is this black?
Black.
Yay! That's elephant. See?
What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
What?
What's that?
Snowman.
Snowman. What's that?
What's that?
Blue elephant.
Baby elephant?
What's that?
Whoa! Abby's talking.
Abby's bee elephant.
It's Abby's baby elephant?
Bee elephant. What's that? Bee elephant.
Abby's talking. Oh, okay. Bye, Abby. See ya. Say, see ya, Abby.
See, Abby.
Say, love you, Abby.
Now you, Abby.
Say, night, night, Abby.
Now you,
Say, can you say miss you?
Abby.
Say, love you.
Now you, Abby.
Good job. Can you say bye, Mama?
Bye, Mama.
See you later.
See you, Mama.
Love you.
What's that? Bee elephant.
Baby elephant? Yep.
Bee elephant.
All right. Bye, baby.
Bye, bee.